Hey everyone, welcome to Arty Crafty Mom. Today, I'm showing you 6 amazing DIY craft kits from TEMU that are fun, colorful, and budget-friendly, most under $10. Whether you're crafting with kids or just love getting creative, these kits are perfect. Let's get started. Fabric Coloring Kit. This kit comes with a blank canvas tote and colorful fabric markers. Kids can design their own bag, perfect for boosting creativity, color recognition, and fine motor skills. Plus, it's reusable and eco-friendly. Diamond Painting Kit. A relaxing craft where kids place sparkling diamonds on a sticky canvas to reveal beautiful art. It improves focus, patience, and hand-eye coordination, and the end result is super satisfying. Foil Sticker Art Kit. With peel and stick designs and shiny foil sheets, this mess-free kit is great for younger kids. It encourages precision, creativity, and gives an instant confidence boost with sparkling results. Button Flower Kit. This kit comes with everything you need: colorful buttons, soft felt pieces, floral bases, and green wires as a stem. No extra supplies needed. It's designed for all ages and perfect for beginners. Just layer the buttons, felt petals, and flower stems according to the instructions or let your creativity flow. Each flower turns out unique and vibrant, great for home decor or handmade gifts. Wooden Weaving Kit. Includes a mini loom and colorful yarn to create simple woven art. It's excellent for building patience, concentration, and hand coordination. A great introduction to textile crafts. Mosaic Tiles Kit. Stick tiny tiles onto fun templates to create animals or flowers. This craft helps with spatial awareness, pattern following, and gives a great sense of achievement when finished. Aren't these kits amazing? They're fun, budget-friendly, and help your kids learn while they play. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more creative finds and DIY ideas. See you next time on Arty Crafty Mom.